English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun, 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. Listen carefully to this short conversation between two friends.
Hey Noah, do you think this dress looks good on me?
Yeah, it looks great. The color really suits you.
Thanks. I wasn't sure if blue was my color.
Trust me, it is. Are you going to buy it?
Maybe, but it's a bit expensive.
Let's check the sales section. You might find something similar for less.
Good idea. Oh look, this one's half price.
Nice. And it looks even better. You should get that one.
Deal. Let's go to the counter before I change my mind.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Suits you. Looks good on you or matches your style. Example. That jacket really suits you.
Grief suits you. It has.
Senator. That suits you.
This suits you.
What?
Sale section. A part of the store where items are cheaper. Example. I always check the sales section before buying anything.
Create a yard sale section, to give her a garage sale section.
Let's check the sales section.
Half price. When something costs 50% less. Example. These shoes were half price, so I bought 2 pairs.
Half price. I wound up seeing a whole new side of another.
Right.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Thanks. I wasn't sure if blue was my color.
What color shirt is Olivia trying on? Blue.
Yeah, it looks great. The color really suits you.
What does Noah say about the shirt? He says it looks great and suits her.
Maybe, but it's a bit expensive.
Why doesn't Olivia want to buy it at first? Because it's expensive.
Let's check the sales section.
Where does Noah suggest they look for cheaper clothes? In the sales section.
Oh look, this one's half price.
What discount did Olivia find on another shirt? It was half price.
Great job! Keep answering out loud, your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, shadowing practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Hey Noah, do you think this dress looks good on me? Thanks. I wasn't sure if blue was my color. Maybe, but it's a bit expensive. Good idea. Oh look, this one's half price. Deal. Let's go to the counter before I change my mind.
Yeah, it looks great. The color really suits you. Trust me, it is. Are you going to buy it? Let's check the sales section. You might find something similar for less. Nice. And it looks even better. You should get that one.
Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.